Hi Gardener Realtors, it's Mark Leader. I wanted to take a moment and congratulate all of the award-winning agents at the Dome Awards and the 70th anniversary celebration. I am sure Gertrude is looking down with a huge smile on her face, knowing that each and every one of you hit the market dead on in 2012, and because of your hard work, you are enjoying success that many can only dream of. Congratulations. I also wanted to give a loud shout out to my listing boot camp participants and the Leader's Choice graduates, who, by the way, average better than 2 transactions per person per week. Outstanding results, even if I do say so myself. It is my hope that all of you will enjoy the award celebration and use it as a measuring stick for where 2013 is going to take you. Until we meet again, I wish you all the best in the upcoming year, and remember, if you ever need a friend, I will always be just a phone call away. Now go get them in 2013.